Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, select an app that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Chrome browser. Now you need to click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of your app. From here, select Open in Pop-up View, and as you can see after that, I can use my app in this little window over here. In order to move it around, you need to hold this blue line and drag it. Then let go. You can also turn it into a bubble by tapping on Home button. Then place bubble wherever you wish to by holding it and dragging it. And accessing your app by tapping on it. In order to use it overlay other apps, just tap on the other one and operate in both. Now, in order to go back from pop-up view, you can hold your app and drag it to remove section, then let go, or simply swipe it up from background apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!